Hello, what we got here today is this ceiling fan. I don't know what kind this is. I do believe it's probably a latex or something of that sort. But I'm really not for sure.
Are you?
Yes.
Hey, I told you I was gonna get your dress.
He's taking a video.
I know he is. I was gonna get your dress.
Got 3 lamps. Russian brass. Light currently doesn't work. Shut the fan off on high. Mirror. Check that out. Fan got about a 3-inch sag on it. It's on reverse, so I can't feel anything. I don't know what kind of fan this is. If I had to guess, my guess is litex. You can hear the blades creaking. It needs more lubrication. Put it on low. Yeah. Yeah. Lampshade effect. Fan's going around 55 RPMs roughly. And it is a nice fan. Turn it on. I do apologize, the video is a bit short. Set on the blades, I can show you what we got. Actually, that sag. See, in the mirror shows a bit of sag. Blades are slightly sag. Yeah, I like to have about 1.5 inch worth of sag. It is up there fairly tight. And fairly thick metal part. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and more to come.